The RAC Scotland Asia Partnerships Higher Education Research Fund is a new grant scheme funded by the Scottish Government aimed at developing new, as well as enhancing and adding value to existing international research partnerships between Scottish universities, research institutes and partners in Australia, India, Japan, Pakistan, South Korea, Singapore and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. This award is called SAPPHIRE for short. A team of rural health researchers from the University of the Highlands and Islands were awarded SAPPHIRE funding to visit Professor Jin Zhong, head of the Department of Medical and Digital Engineering, Hanyang University in Seoul, South Korea. Professor Jin is an international expert in acoustic engineering and has applied his expertise to develop and test virtual reality natural soundscapes. His team of half a dozen PhD students work in the lab to develop VR nature soundscapes and then test their effects on psychological parameters, including mood, heart rate variability, and neurological patterns. They have recently created a unique lab to test the effects of VR natural soundscapes on young children with ADHD. During the visit, Scottish researchers tried the equipment in the lab and visited a local park where Professor Jin's team have filmed and audio recorded natural images and sound. Professor Jill Hubbard, who led the Scottish research team, said,
"Coming to South Korea has given us first-hand experience of VR natural soundscapes. We will use our learning from this visit on our return to Scotland to develop VR nature soundscapes to improve mental health in different groups of the population, starting with higher education students. The South Korean team are acoustic and digital medical engineers, whereas the Scotland team are social scientists and creatives. We therefore draw on different subject disciplines that will help us to fully understand why VR natural soundscapes have the potential to help people de-stress and improve their mental well-being."
During the visit to Seoul, the Scottish research team went to the Traditional Music Museum. Simon Bradley, who is part of the Scottish research team, will be exploring natural soundscapes as part of his PhD. He said,
"It was a wonderful experience to visit South Korea and get a taste of their music, culture and landscape. We enjoyed watching a performance at the National Gugak Centre, and it was fascinating to experience the beautifully choreographed traditional music performed on local instruments."